Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the border so edits don't damage the original. Duplicate the background layer immediately. This allows non-destructive work. Once done, zoom to 100% and identify whether the border is a stroke, crop artifact, or edge bleed. Then make a precise selection with the rectangular marquee for straight borders or the magic wand for color-consistent edges. Make sure to refine the selection with select and mask if edges are feathered, because a clean selection prevents jagged seams later. You now remove the selected border without harming surrounding pixels. If the area is textured, use Edit Content Aware Fill. Preview the result and sample areas to guide the algorithm. For precise control, add a layer mask to the duplicated layer and paint black on the mask to hide the border. Then refine hidden areas with the clone stamp or spot healing brush on a new blank layer set to sample all layers. Make sure to expand or contract the selection by a few pixels to avoid residual fringe. You finish by checking edges at multiple zoom levels and making color adjustments so the repaired area blends. Once satisfied, create a stamped visible layer. Shift plus Control/CMD plus Alt plus E and run small retouches. Dodge/burn subtly and apply noise to match grain. If you see a thin fringe, run layer matting to fringe or contract the selection by 1 pixel and reapply content-aware fill. Save a PSD copy with layers retained, and then export a flattened copy for delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.